I've instructed the Minister of Homeland Security to provide a list of all persons at present benefiting from state-funded security, both state security and private, being paid for by the state. I plan to redirect most of these resources towards the fight against crime. So many of these unnecessary security details will be cut out. I am told that some of these guys have armored, what do you call it, armored cars? Armored vehicles. I didn't know we had a war in Trinidad and Tobago. We have a criminal war. Armored vehicles, one with about 6 backup security personnel. Do we need that? When you can't save your child in your own home, or on your street, or in your community, let's redirect these resources. I'm not saying we strip everybody off. Those high risks, we will do the work. But some people just have this driving around feeling they're looking like Big Efe and Big Papi. Not because there is a risk and a need. So we will look at that. I have also requested a listing of government officials supplied with state-funded housing to see where we can cut some costs. I am being told that there are government officials from the last, some of them have up to 3 and 4 state-funded houses. Can you believe that? We will let you know in due course. But I'm not here about name-calling. I'm here about policy and programs that more people of the country can benefit from, that there can be more equity and more equality. So I've asked for that. Let's see where we can cut some of these costs. And I have directed my own ministers, don't ask for no state-funded housing, please. Don't. The country is not so large that you need to have a house in Port that's being paid for by taxpayers. There are people who don't even have a house. You want to have 2, your own house and one in town? No. Some might vex with me, but I will stick firmly to that. And I'll tell you why. Ministers have a housing allowance paid for by the state. If you want house in town, go and pay your own rent. You all agree? Pay your rent. Why must the taxpayer pay your rent when they can't pay their own rent? They don't even have a place to stay. That should not continue to happen. We have to cut costs. So, state-funded housing. You want house? Pay for house. Agreed? Let's pay for it. And they all agreed today. Maybe they didn't like what I said, but they agreed, and I'll keep them to it. Our country is not that big. You can drive. You can drive. Even Point Fortin, I felt a little sorry for Point Fortin MPs because that is really far away. But given and Moruga, well, let me finish your point because I have an answer for that right away. Given the highway we had begun, and which we shall certainly complete. What's this now, 45 minutes? Yes. 45 minutes? Yeah.